Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close the nut. Over here you can customize your edges. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, and many other things, like for example speed or size. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources, for example photo, and choose one of the photos. Adjust it and tap at the top right corner. Then when you're done, click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, Set As, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back to the app, choose Home, scroll down and tap on Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes, tap on the switcher next to an app, go back and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges all the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!